Hello and welcome to my channel of Java Noobs. My name is Sharath and you are viewing my Java video tutorial series. If you haven't seen my previous videos, I would suggest you to see it first, and below is the link. Object-oriented programming, question 7. Inheritance. Inheritance is a mechanism by which a specific object acquires attributes and behaviors of more general objects. Or we can say that inheritance is the inclusion of state and behavior of a base or a superclass in a derived or a subclass so that they are accessible in the subclass. Now state refers to as variables and behaviors refers to as methods. Inheritance is the inclusion of variables and methods of a superclass and are inherited to a subclass, so they are accessible in the subclass. Now the key benefit of inheritance is that it provides the formal mechanism for code reuse. Because of this, your program will become more robust because you can reuse the code, and it helps in a lot of ways. Now what I'll do is I'll actually try explaining what inheritance is through Paint, okay, because I need to I'll try to sketch certain things. Let's see if it works out good. Let's consider superclass called as vehicle, and now vehicle has certain features or characteristics of its own. A vehicle can turn left, turn right, move forward. Now say new bike class extends the vehicle class, and this bike class can have these features as well as it can add additional features. So a bike can turn left, turn right and move forward, and a bike has a handle, 2 seats and foot gear. There is another subclass which extends the vehicle class, and let's call this as Jeep class or a Jeep subclass. Now Jeep subclass also turn left, turn right, move forward, but Jeep has its own features. A Jeep has a steering, a Jeep has 4 seats, a Jeep has a hand gear, and so on. Inheritance is the property in which a subclass or several subclasses inherit certain properties or features from the base class. So this is known as inheritance. There are two types of inheritance. The first one is called as single inheritance. Now single inheritance is the property in which a subclass inherits certain features or properties of a superclass or a base class, which I just showed you. Now in Java, inheritance is achieved by using the keyword extends. The second type of inheritance is called as the multiple inheritance or multi-level inheritance. Now when a child class inherits multiple properties from multiple classes, it is known as multiple inheritance. But unfortunately Java does not allow us to extend multiple classes. However, to overcome this problem, we can use or implement multiple interfaces. I'll be talking much about interfaces when I'm discussing another object-oriented properties concept called as abstraction. When I'm discussing about abstraction, I'll give you full insights of abstract class and interfaces. Yeah, that's pretty much about inheritance. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to rate,